So, all right. Chad writes, Tim, I've been a Sea-Doo enthusiast for years. I got my 2022 GTX last year and started creating content for my channel. I was wondering how the ambassador program works. It's a dream of mine.
That's good, because that's the intention, is to have everybody do some really cool stuff that they dream about anyway. But the ambassador program's been it's been pretty phenomenal, and that's something that Sea-Doo's done. And I used to manage that. I'm not involved with that as much anymore. There's a whole department that just manages partnerships, and they're doing a pretty phenomenal job. They've got some really cool people that are crazy passionate, crazy talented, do some really, really cool stuff, and really showcase what's possible on a watercraft. But how do you do it? It's that's hard, because I mean, everybody's a freaking creator now. So it's like you gotta be good. I mean, you gotta be good in a lot of ways. And I'd say the biggest things are consistency. Just being really, really consistent with your content, and like who you're trying to be, like who you're conveying yourself to be, and to who. Try to, I would argue, like, don't try to be the same thing for everybody. Like, just have a core type of audience of like who you are, like what kind of person are you? What do you like to do? And talk to people who like the same things you do. Don't try to be everything to everybody. And then do cool shit, if I can say that. But
you already have.
Just do cool stuff. I mean, do cool stuff, capture it, and just fine tune your photography, your videography, and your editing. And it's a lot of work. I mean, it's a lot of work to do that. And it's the consistency is the part where most people can't keep up. It's just a matter of being consistent, and the algorithms of the different social platforms reward you if you're consistent. So that's a big part of it. But just do cool stuff, and then share it. Just tag it Sea-Doo Life a lot, because everything that's tagged, the teams, I mean, it's all aggregated, and they look at all that stuff.
Great.
Like Emmanuel Williams, I would say, is probably, he's unbelievable. I mean, we started working with him like, I think not even 2 years ago. And he was he still is just a young kid from Miami. But I think he had like 2,000 followers on Instagram, which is a good amount when we started. But he's at like over 200 now. And he just did a Walmart commercial. He's about to do an Amazon commercial. And
great.
His key is like, he's just does really cool stuff. And he's interacting with everybody. He answers all the comments. He teaches people. He gives them tips, and he just puts out really pretty, entertaining stories. So that's a long answer, but that's a complicated project. It's a full-time job if you really want to do it.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.